Okay, welcome to another class on advanced idioms and phrasal verbs. These are all from a book called Idioms and Phrasal Verbs Advanced by Ruth Gaines and Stuart Redman, Oxford University Press. And today we're looking at chapters 48 and 49, I think. So, if you turn a blind eye to something, that means that you ignore it. Even though it's some kind of crime or sin or misbehaviour, you ignore it. Now, why might you do that? It might be because, you're a parent and you don't actually see it as that bad. So maybe you turn a blind eye to your children misbehaving or your children mucking about, and it's because they're just fighting and playing, but it's not a terrible fight. They're not really hurting each other, and they're just being loud and letting off a lot of steam. They're releasing energy, and so you decide to turn a blind eye to that minor misbehavior. Or maybe you're a policeman and somebody bribes you, somebody gives you some money, so that you turn a blind eye to their crime. And so it could be a little bit more serious, but when you turn a blind eye to something, you ignore it for one reason or another, even though it is something that should be punished at some kind of crime. Okay, if you decide to step in, and this is when there's no object, this means that you get involved in some kind of difficult situation in order to bring it to a resolution. Now, it could be a fight and you decide to step in to defend one of your friends or something like that. And then it does sound like you're going to be fighting as well. You decide to step in, get involved in the fight. But it could be some kind of project and it's falling behind, it's lagging behind. It's not on schedule, and so you need to step in to make sure that you can get it done so that it all gets done on time, so that your team meets their deadline or whatever. So to step in, to get involved in something, to bring it to some kind of resolution, or to solve some kind of problem. It's to get involved in some kind of problem and solve it. Okay, if you draw the line at something, this means that you are setting a boundary, you're setting a limit, usually an ethical limit, and saying, I'll do this and this and this, but I draw the line at doing that. I will not go so far as to do that. So, for example, of course, I'm sure that you and we all draw the line at something like murder or theft, when it comes to making money. I'm sure that you all do lots of different things to earn money, and obviously I'm teaching English to earn money. But there are many things that I would not do to earn money, and you can say, well, I draw the line at doing that, and it just means that's the limit. I will not do that. And so some people